What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So if you didn't watch the last episode, what we did is we got the engine out. Now that's finally out of the way. We can start tidying up the engine bay, getting rid of some wiring and starting to relocate everything. So if you have a look here, at the moment I've started to pull everything out, label everything as well, so we all know where it goes back together. I'm still undecided about this. I'm thinking about relocating it, but not sure yet. A lot of people put them down inside the guard here, so I guess we'll cross that when we get to it. Also, if you watched the last episode, you would have seen my fantastic wife bought me a 5-speed gearbox. So pretty amazing wife there. So it is very, very dirty. I'm very anal about this stuff, so I'm thinking I want to get it cleaned. I'm not too sure on how I'm going to do that yet, so if you know the best way on how to get a gearbox clean, cast in general, shoot me a comment, even message me on Instagram and let me know, because I would be wanting to get that cleaned in the future. So at the moment I'm trying to get rid of the guards, so I'll be pulling those off, but the pain in the ass thing about these is you gotta pull the side skirts off, and if you've pulled Evo's side skirts off before, it is really difficult because of the clips that go into the side there. So a lot of people damage them, but we'll pull those off now, and then we'll get that guard off so then we can check where the wiring goes underneath, so then we can hide some wiring and do all that nice looking stuffing.
I got the recipe, never gonna let any op get the best of me. Thought it was distance, but haters is next to me. Talk to the spirit, you know I've been heavenly. Company definitely show your trajectory. This ain't a diss cause I say it respectfully. It's time to eat it, red like a speeder. Taking it deeper and that's how it better be. I never let the comparison get to me. I just remember the promises meant for me. I know the enemy and that he sent for me. I keep the blood of the lemons my centerpiece. I cannot trust in no crystals or energy. Look at the chemistry, it do not even mix chemically. Most of the tricks they be gimmicks, they mimic the truth. It's poison and we got the remedy. There is a bomb, apply it, the fire can stand to the tallest of giants. The tyrant and all the suppliers are scheming and lying. They selling his dreams and we buying it. Show me the chicken, I'm frying it. Show me the dough and I'm prying it. Ain't never lacking it, so what I'm packing, he taking it, he magnifying it.
They say you ain't about it. Tell them that you finna make it, but they doubt it. But you rose like the flower. Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers.
I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I just know that I'ma get it. 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 Ayy, I got the drive, the bus, the truck, the gas is stuck. I ain't the one to rely on the luck. I put in work and then he show up. I know it's fake to sit in the reps, ain't no regrets, I do too much. It ain't me if you seeing I stunt. He calling the place and I do what he want. This ain't a front, glory to G-O-D. It's what you could do with a mustard seed. It's what you could do when you start to believe. Take fear and you cast it inside of the sea. 100% out of me, cause he gave it all on the T when he let it bleed. So what is you saying to me? You just insecure about the love that turned me to a beast. I take a step and I ain't turning back. He made me first cause I know that I'm last. I ain't got time for no thing in the past. Learn from it first and then I react. Hands off me, don't hold me. Get it jumping like a trampoline. All truth ain't no trolling. We in good hands, no folding.
They say you ain't about it. Tell them that you finna make it, but they doubt it. But you rose like the flower. Tell me what it's like to live with superpowers.
I don't know, but I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I just know that I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it. I'ma get it.
Look, I need a shot, no chase. My girl need a wallet and a state. My mom need a house for the late. So I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take. So I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay. I need my 50 for tax. I done ran low on my patience. Make sure my time isn't wasted. I told them all that I've been real. They know that I cannot face shit. Funny how none of this makes sense. Now that I'm up with an A-list. She tryna throw me the K now. Telling me happy belated. Got too much shit on my mind. I told my mom I'm fine. I told my girl that I'm stressed, but I'm gonna make it on time. I pray to God for these signs. He know how hard I done try. Lately I'm looking for real shit, the things that my money can't buy. They don't understand how the shit goes, how they all use it to switch goals, how they all speed when they need some, then when you need them and they gone ghost. They want the money in big roles, they use your name for a quick post. The same ones that told me to quit rap, I saw this shit man to get sold, but for now I need a shot, no chase.
Now I am allowed to crack my AC lines as there was no gas in there to start with, so remember guys, if you're working on AC components, always make sure you get them de-gassed first and don't let them go into the atmosphere. I legally have to say that, but what you do is up to you.
My girl need a wine in the state, my mom need a house for the late, so I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take, so I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay, I need my 50 for tax. I need a shot, no chase. My girl need a wine in the state, my mom need a house for the late, so I got some money to make. They told me I got what it take, so I gotta take it all back. I told them I need my pay, I need my 50 for tax. I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. I got a ball, I told them I'm here, I'm not waiting for y'all. They hit my phone, but I ignore the call. I got to drive and I see that they stop. I bought a whip and I paid it in cash. Numbers keep growing like what's on the dash. Drive me to Addy, I pull it in maps. Dressed in a white tee, I bought it a Gap. Hitting the gas, he trailing behind. This in his games, but I stay on my grind. I told my family we all got me fine. Said I'm a star, that's why they all align. Said I don't rob it like.
Now all I'm doing is disconnecting the power steering cooler. So just these two lines here, they just come up and run along the front here of the grill. They don't really need a lot of cooling, hence why it's just a pipe that runs in front of the car to get airflow over it, so then the power steering cooler doesn't get too hot. So let's keep taking that out.
Oh my God, I'm just playing with them now, yeah. Oh my God, what she saying, say it loud, yeah. I can't respect it, I'm in the gym, but I am not flexing. Came from a Ford, I'm needing a Lexus. Shooting like Luca, I told him I'm next, shit. Shooting like Luca, said that I can't, but I told him I do it. Up in the morning, I sweat it is brewing. Hitting these goals like I play for the Bruins. Thought that I told them I can't, but was mine. They throwing shade, but I'm still gonna shine. They check my wrist and they know it's my time. They ain't see the numbers, I swear that they blind. But that's how it goes, they know when I'm chose. Need me the flowers, not talking no rose.
Alright, so as you see, there is a hell of a lot more room there now. So we'll be able to get all that cleaned up. We'll finish removing the power steering line, and then we'll move on to this side, which is a giant mess. So we've got our main harness here, which then wraps around into the engine bay. So we'll have a look about trying to relocate this, so then we can have some more space in the engine bay, make it look a bit tidier. So let's start removing all that. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, we have removed quite a fair bit of the engine bay components already. We have the fuse box down there. We'll have to move that later because that'll be in the way when we go to paint. So now we'll get to removing our flex fuel sensor and fuel pressure regulator. Now what we'll do with these fuel lines is we'll tape up the ends of them just so they can't get any contamination in there. Otherwise we'll end up with some very blocked injectors when it comes time to put the car back together.
I look like a bag of money I'm on. They wanna know what I'm on. Got diamonds dancing on my neck. That is the vibe I'm on. Drip way too lit. Who gon' check? You can tell me none. Boss mode in effect and my money long. If you ain't talking money, don't talk to me.
So if you want to follow me, hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you follow along with the process. It's completely free and helps me out, helps the account grow. So make sure you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in the next episode.